Good evening students, welcome to my video class. Today I shall talk about class 9 English, book Beehive, Unit 8, Reach for the Top. Before I start the lesson, I would tell you something about idols. In youth, in young age, everyone has an idol or even more than one idols. And generally, sports persons are the idols of the youth. Even some young men also idolize some people from the world of medicine or media or even art and culture. And when we idealize someone, we try to follow his path, his or her path, and try to make ourselves like one of them, like the one whom we idolize. Here in this lesson, part 1 is talked about a girl whose name is Santosh Yadav. She may not be so famous as our cricketers or other sports persons like we see in wrestling or archery or shooting like that, but the achievement of her perhaps surpasses all. So let's start the lesson. This article, Reach for the Top Part 1, Santosh Yadav. This article is about Santosh Yadav, the first woman in the world to climb Mount Everest twice. Her story is inspiring. Despite being born in a skewed society which did not welcome the birth of a girl child, where girls were married off at 16, she made her own path, followed her desires, and achieved world fame. In this lesson, we shall see her struggles and her stubbornness towards success. How much she struggled to achieve success, and finally she reached not only the highest point, highest place in the world, but she reached to the highest point of her target, of her ambition. Now let's see the summary of the lesson. Santosh Yadav was born to wealthy landowners in Juniawas village of Rohtak district in Haryana. She was the youngest child, a sister to 5 elder brothers. Due to the traditions, she was forced to study in the village school. Since childhood, she was opposed to the customs, preferred wearing shorts in opposition to the traditional dresses like salwar kameez. At the age of 16, like other girls in the village, she was forced to get married, but she resisted and insisted upon getting educated before getting married. She took admission in a school in Delhi, but her parents refused to support her. She accepted it and decided to work part-time to fund her schooling fee. Finally, her parents agreed to support her. Her father accepted her desire to get higher education. After high school, Santosh joined the Maharani College at Jaipur and lived at the Kasturba hostel. There she saw the villagers climb the Aravalli hills and was curious to know what was at the other side of the hills. She joined a group of mountaineers there and hence undertook her first climbing expedition. Actually, from her curiosity, she took up her profession, her final aim in life. So, climbing the small hill of Aravalli ultimately made her to climb Mount Everest. Within 4 years, in 1992, she climbed Mount Everest. Her qualities of determination, physical and mental strength impressed her seniors. Her fellow climbers appreciated her concern for others and willingness to work in a team. She saved the life of a fellow climber named Mohan Singh by sharing her oxygen cylinder with him. She joined an Indo-Nepalese women expedition and climbed Mount Everest twice, thus becoming the first woman in the world to climb the peak twice. Santosh cannot describe the immense feeling of happiness and pride when she was on top of the world. As she hoisted the Indian flag, she felt proud to be an Indian. Being an environmentalist, she brought down 500 kilograms of garbage from the Himalayas. So friends, this is all for the summary of the lesson. As you read the story in your book, you shall get the understanding, the whole meaning of the lesson. You will comprehend the chapter, and I hope you shall be able to answer the given exercise questions. You must go for the word meanings also. Okay friends, so that's all for today. We shall meet again with my next video lesson. Till then, goodbye, have a nice time, and thank you for watching. Good night.